This morning feels tender, like a wound learning how to breathe. There's a quiet ache that sits between my ribs, a weight too soft to name. I try to speak, but the words come out as whispers. So I sit here, hands over my heart, and tell you the truth. I need you to heal me again. Some pain hides so deeply that I forget it's still there. It moves quietly through the days, shaping the way I speak, the way I love, the way I keep my distance from joy. Stay with me, Lord, in this fragile space between breaking and healing. You know the parts I try to hide, the disappointments I never said out loud, the forgiveness I've delayed, the tears I swallowed too soon. I thought moving on meant pretending I was fine, but I see now, healing starts with honesty. So I bring you everything I tried to hold together. The fears, the old stories, the names that still hurt when I remember them. Touch what I cannot fix. Mend what I've forgotten to feel. Show me that your grace isn't only for the strong and unbroken, but also for the trembling and unfinished. You don't rush your healing. You let it grow like dawn, slow, gentle, certain. So even here, with the ache still breathing beneath my ribs, I choose to believe that you are already at work. Teach me to rest while you restore. Teach me to wait without fear. And when the pain fades, let gratitude take its place. Quiet, humble, real. I can feel it, Lord, not a miracle in an instant, but a slow peace settling in. The wound is still there, but it doesn't sting the same way. Healing, I've learned, isn't forgetting what hurt. It's remembering it differently. It's letting the light touch what used to be pain and finding you there. Every scar has a story, and each one whispers that I survived, that you stayed, that grace found me in pieces and didn't leave me there. Maybe the ache never fully leaves, but it changes shape, becomes something holy. Maybe healing isn't the erasing, it's the softening, the returning of breath. So I lift my hands, open once more, not asking for perfection, only for peace. And I say again, from the quiet center of my soul, thank you for not giving up on me. Amen. Healing takes time, but time held by love is never wasted. Even the quiet moments when nothing seems to change are part of the mending. Some wounds heal in the quiet.